the late 70s, it was like a dirt field that we were competing with that. There was no place to eat and no place to go. Even the Boy Scouts of America are going to be here. They all come out to the Long Beach Grand Prix. Hit road. Going to be some fast cars flying out of here this weekend. The likes of Marco Andretti and many other fast drivers that I don't know the names of because they're not Bobby Unser or Al Unser or Mario Andretti. Bobby Ray Hall, and then some. Some of the most famous drivers came to this race in the early days. So many of them sharpened their teeth on the streets of Long Beach. Tire barriers are up in a lot of places, and we're getting ready for racing, folks. You can just about hear the sound of the cars in the background, piercing your eardrums with the sweet music of horsepower. This might be one of the fastest spots in the course right here. On a Tuesday afternoon, there's almost nobody here except for construction workers. Here come some of the guys now. Of course, you always give them the right of way. Come down off of this hill in the early 70s and 80s, wheels off the ground, the turn off of Ocean. They don't go down Ocean, they haven't gone Ocean for many years. These right lefts, quick right and lefts. This would be Rocky's camera position up there that he ran for so many years. Lots of work to be done, putting on the finishing touches for the 2012 Long Beach Grand Prix. Another beautiful Long Beach day. They say it might rain, but I say that it'll just be another Jim McCallion day. For us, it's time to go. We've done our best to cover the behind the scenes of the 2012 Long Beach Grand Prix. This is Mark, signing off.